So today we're going to check out some extreme hair cutting and extreme hair transformations. So for this first clip, it looks like the stylist is completely shaving her hair. So I said that with a question mark because I'm not sure what the stylist is going to do with this one just yet. But yeah, it looks like she's giving her a shave-in style. She's like, now she knows that she went to the salon to get this look done, but I guess she's just in shock that it's like actually happening. Like she's like, oh my gosh, she's shaving my hair. And you have to think that that would be exhilarating. Like, you know how many years it takes to grow the hair? Like you grow 6 inches of hair in a year, so that's a lot of hair. So here she is. Oh, she got a pixie cut too. Oh, she shaved it off. Okay. That was a fast reel. All right, so next up, she has some gorgeous hair. Look at that hair, the texture, everything beautiful. Oh, so she got an undercut with this gorgeous orangey tone highlights. Wow, this is very rocker chic. Love this transformation, so beautiful. And then here it looks like she's getting an undercut. Oh, I love that pop of blonde. It's like peekaboo blonde with the zigzag pattern in the back. Oh, wow. I love her hair color. It's like split dye. So that's actually a different girl there. But that hair is gorgeous. Love that color combination. So she has blonde on one side, brunette on the other. Oh, so gorgeous. Very pretty. And that's very popular right now, the Cruella de Vil look. So here she is cutting her hair. It looks like she's gonna do a pixie? I don't know. Her makeup is like, whoa. Look at that dramatic eyeliner. So she's also shaving her hair off. Wow. But you know what? She looks like she would look really good with a bald head. Like she has the head shape for it. And if you guys didn't know, the women who are shaving their head are called baldies. That's baddie and bald head together. Baldies. She is definitely a baldie. And next up we see another gorgeous undercut. This one features silver and blue tones. Love the blue eyeliner with this to match. Stunning hair color. Ooh. That's a very unique shade too because it's like icy blue. Gorgeous, and it has silver platinum tones mixed in as well. So we see another dramatic transformation. She's also looks like she's shaving her hair. And it looked like she had a bomb pixie going too. So let me know in the comments, do you guys like dramatic hair transformations, or do you like the videos that feature more like everyday hair transformations? Leave me your thoughts, let me know, and then that will kind of let me know like which ones you want me to cover more of. Personally, I like the dramatic because it's so unexpected. What some people end up doing to their hair, it's like, whoa. So it looks like she's getting an undercut with this one. So with some of these undercuts, you can rock them with shorter hair. Some of them, the girls keep them long. It really just depends on the person and like what you want to do with their hair. Oh, so she got like a nice little design going in the back. I love those. Whoever thought of this was genius, because I love the fact that there's just like this vivid, artistic looking design in the back of the hair. Very unexpected and cool. So it looks like another undercut with this next one. This is actually by the same barber or stylist. So they did another very cool design with this one. And this is a unisex style, like men and women can rock the undercut with the design. Oh, so she has a blonde pixie here. I love her hair shade. This is so pretty. So it looks like she's getting an undercut with some design detailing. Yes. Love this. And her hair kind of had an ombre effect too with that color change and the shaven part. That looked really cool. So next up, someone also deciding to shave their hair all off. Okay, so she kept some and she looks like she dyed it like purple. Oh no, she went platinum. Very pretty. So she's getting the sides shaven off. So she looks like she's just kind of like trimming the hair, cleaning it up. Gorgeous. And then we have someone else kind of cleaning their hair up. So she's shaving her hair off. Her hair looks like it had grown out and she wanted to just kind of cut it down again. All right, you guys, so that leaves us with another video. Be sure to give this one a like if you were feeling these transformations. How dramatic were they? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.